Let's make a Robinhood account under 18. Now, you can't actually legally invest with the Robinhood when you're under 18 because custodial accounts to invest under 18 in Robinhood is not currently available or supported. So custodial accounts are not offered by Robinhood or many other similar applications, investment platform like public robo-advisors like Wealthfront and Betterment, as well as free investing choices like Robinhood are only available to adults. So if you do go ahead and try to invest with Robinhood when you're still below 18, then it will be considered an illegal act. But since you need to be 18 years old in order to create an account, so if you're under 18, you can open a custodial account or a guardianship account with a parent or guardian who is over 18 with a valid US Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Additionally, if you are an eligible US military service member, you can open an account at age 17. But anyways, without any guardians or any sort of a parent that's above 18, of course, with valid documentations, then it's pretty much impossible to start your Robinhood account when you are still under 18. So you're still gonna have to wait for a bit until you get to that age or try other alternative methods. But anyways, hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.